I love lasagna with homemade vodka sauce. It's so good, and I make it often during the holidays. Let me show you how I make it. This video is going to be a bit longer than the ones I usually make because there are various steps, so just a heads up. Okay, so vodka sauce first. I soften the onions for 3 minutes in olive oil. I always use fresh garlic, about a tablespoon of tomato paste. I bought sun-dried tomato paste by accident, but use regular tomato paste if you have it. I use half cup of vodka. Make sure not to use any flavored vodka. 28 ounces of peeled tomatoes. You can use a potato masher to crush them. I just use my hands. 1 teaspoon of oregano, some basil leaves. I cooked it for about 10 to 15 minutes over low heat. I added half cup of heavy cream, a little bit of sugar, and seasoned generously with salt and pepper. I cooked the lasagna noodles in boiling salted water until they were al dente. I prefer those over the no boil. And then I browned the beef completely, seasoned it with garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. And then I added the vodka sauce. Here's the ricotta mixture, which is just 30 ounces of ricotta cheese, quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, basil, parsley, salt, and pepper. And I simmered the sauce for about 10 minutes. So now we just assemble. I start with about 1 cup of the meat sauce. This is a 9 by 13 baking dish. I use 9 lasagna noodles total for 3 layers. After the noodles, I do some of the ricotta mixture. I like to use a spoon. It's much easier than using a spatula. And I love adding fresh mozzarella and shredded, but not too much fresh mozzarella because it does release some liquid. You keep repeating that until you finish the 3 layers. Always end with cheese. I covered it and baked it for 40 minutes at 375 degrees covered. And then I uncovered it, baked it for an additional 5 minutes, and broiled for 2 minutes. And that was it. Enjoy.